Have you noticed a persistent blue light on your Logitech G435 and wondered what it means? Many users become concerned when the indicator remains blue or starts flashing unexpectedly, especially if the headset isn't connecting or audio isn't working properly. Sometimes the light simply indicates Bluetooth mode, while in other cases it may point to a pairing or connection issue. In many situations, a G435 headset blue light can be resolved by switching connection modes or re establishing the wireless link. Before changing random settings or assuming the headset is defective, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal operation. Turn off the G435 headset and wait for a few seconds. 2. Power it back on and check the status of the blue indicator. 3. Switch between Bluetooth and Lightspeed modes if necessary. 4. Reconnect the headset to your device or wireless receiver. 5. Play audio and confirm that the headset is functioning normally.